Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can enable 120 Hz on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library, and basically guys, right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find games, media, here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, once you're here, if you want to enable 120 Hz, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you click on settings, here you're gonna find all of the settings related to your PlayStation 5. Here you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, family and parental controls, and so on. Go ahead and scroll down until you find screen and video. Once you find screen and video, go ahead and click on it. And then here you're gonna find video output, screen, and BD or DVD. So go ahead and click on video output. And then here you're gonna find all of the settings related to your monitor. So right now scroll a little bit down, you're gonna find resolution. You can either choose automatic or any resolution that you want. So make sure you choose the maximum resolution possible. Here you can test if you want the 2K output. You're gonna find VRR, and right here you're gonna find 120 Hz output. Make sure you click on automatic. If you set it on off, that means you're only playing with 60 Hz. Make sure you set it on automatic. And then 120 Hz will be enabled once you're playing a game that supports 120 Hz. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.